Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Log into the account and verify email, phone, and two-factor authentication so you can access support. Once done, review the platform's streak recovery policy to know what evidence they accept, because that shapes your request. Next, collect precise artifacts, screenshots with timestamps, chat logs, payment receipts, or device backups, and organize them chronologically so you can reference single events quickly when you contact support. You now craft the recovery request. Open the official support form or verified help email and write a concise subject line that includes streak restoration and the affected dates. In the body, explain exactly what happened, why it was out of your control, and attach your organized evidence with brief captions and timestamps so reviewers can verify quickly. Make sure to request the specific outcome, restoration from date X to Y, and include device and app version details. You should monitor the ticket ID and respond to any support follow-up within 24 to 48 hours so your case stays active. Slow replies often delay resolution. If you see no movement, escalate politely via the platform's verified social account or an in-app feedback escalation path, making sure to reference your ticket. If the request is denied, read the denial reason carefully, correct any missing evidence, and submit a formal appeal with new documentation or request a supervisor review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.